Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining me again today. We are at South Lincolnshire at a place called Surfleet. There's a slipway here which is called the Surfleet Slipway. Funnily enough, you could never have guessed that, could you? And I've forgotten my pump, so I can't really do anything. So I'm just going to have to be here and probably not go kayaking. Shame, I've got all my gear and everything all laid out, but no pump. What could I do? It's okay. I don't need my pump after all. I've got a rigid, so I'm an inflatable traitor. Right, and sports fans, we are on a rigid inflatable traitor. Inflatable traitor. Just messing all these lilies up. Lots of willow trees around here, and what looks to be a very large boat out the water. Doesn't look like that's seen the water for a long while, does it? Got a little mooring pontoon here. What does this say up here? Where are we? What does it say? The Fens Waterways link. It's a bit on the blustery side. There's quite a lot of surface weed milling about, so the guys with the skegs are struggling a little bit. Because I haven't got a skeg in this, I've got a wheel in a keel. More river traffic. Hiya. Cracking day for it.
It is good.
Just do with a bit less wind. But at least you're going the right way. Yeah, it's alright going that way, yeah. Right, we've just gone past a lovely little family of swans. We're probably going to have to go past them again on the way back, but they are friendly. And we've got some youngsters with them, little tiny babies.
He was about 2 foot off the paddle, so I just went like that and he backed up.
Really, really windy. We're coming into another sort of villagey, hamlety place, I think, because there's some houses ahead. We'll probably get into there, and then I'm going to probably potentially think about turning around because this wind is getting a bit silly. Into the calm bit, calm bit, calm bit. Still windy though. Oh, that's better. No, it's not, it's still windy. Is that a road bridge or a footbridge or what bridge is that? I'm going to say road bridge given the signage. Definitely a road bridge. It was, wasn't it? Big water tower in the distance. We've all agreed another couple more corners, which will lead to a couple more corners. And then a couple more corners after that, we'll turn around.
A couple of 12 corners.
It's 2 bridges. I thought it was only one and like a pipe underneath it. Pub. A pub. Another wind tunnel.
Make sure that's never more like a pole or silver. Catch them and you can run. Oh, that's a nice idea.
Well, we're a 7-minute drive away from where we launched.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's only.
And now for the float back.
Yeah, my sandbank before has got basically nose and tail like that, whereas twice. Yeah. Twice as great. It's shit. But then as I come from the left, I twist it.
Yeah, but enough this to come.
Right, so we have turned round, and of course, the moment we've turned round, the wind has stopped.
Very, very close together.
Yeah. Ideally, if you've got not a lot of like floors.
It's because the meter is
I've got them foldable ones, just lay them flat and roll them up.
Yeah. Hello. It's a lot easier going this way.
Sorry?
Why are you going that way? It's easier going this way.
Pop that way.
That sounds like a plan.
Pub first, then we'll do the easy bit on the way.
Yeah, good plan. I've just realised I've done pretty much the whole of my filming today in point of view, so it'll be a little bit different to usual. So let me know what you think to that. If it's good, give it a thumbs up. If it's bad, give it a thumbs down. Then I'll know in future as to what you guys like. If you want any different sort of shots doing, drop me a message or put a comment down below as to what you think you might like. Maybe some head cam, body cam, whatever. Let me know. So this FeelFree Nomad, I like it. Yeah, don't get me wrong, it's good. It certainly moves a lot easier than a inflatable does. But am I a convert to a hard shell? I don't know. Probably not. I do like my convenience and the pack down of an inflatable. But then there's a lot more admin work with the inflatables. This you can just wang on the roof of your car and away you go. But then you have got to put it on the roof of your car and strap it down and everything, so the pack down time is probably very similar.
We've got a couple of them.
So I don't know, I need to go out in it more before I can give you an honest answer as to if I prefer the hard shell or the inflatable. But yeah, that was good. It's very twitchy, but then the secondary stability, which I've just sort of tried on a pontoon shortly after we left, secondary stability is very good. So I don't think it's unsafe or unstable in any way. And also, whilst I'm yammering at you, I'd like to thank you all for subscribing and all that jazz. I did set myself a goal of getting to 1,000 before Christmas, and I'm on, at the point of recording this, 802. So thank you to all 802 of you. I'd like to make that a few more, quite a lot more. I'd like to get to 1,000. It will just motivate me to come out a little bit more and have some fun and bring you along with me so you can enjoy it too. runs along the water nicely anyway, the FeelFree Nomad. We are going downstream with a little bit of tailwind as well, so I'll say that I was doing about 5 miles an hour roughly. I wasn't putting a huge amount of effort in, just a nice steady stroke. Right, looks like we're coming into the village where we launched. We are out the other side of the village from where we launched, so we've got a little way to go yet. It's been a very nice paddle out today, I've really enjoyed it. I think now is the perfect time to have some warm iced tea. So it's not iced tea, it's basically just tea. It's gone cold but warm, but room temperature, but not room temperature because we're outside. If that makes any sense at all. No, it doesn't, does it? Cold tea, not quite hot tea, but warm because it's been outside. Bloody thing's creeping up behind me. Scare me witless. You know what to say, Carl. Drop it in the comments. That is a horrible place to live. So I might be going for a swim then. Oh, that blossom on the water is lovely, isn't it? Look at that. So cute. Oh, thank you. Big shout out to that swan for being friendly. Nice. Oh yeah. We're back where we launched. Thank you very much for joining me on today's outing. If you've liked the video, give it a like and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you out, but it motivates me to get out a little bit more. So yeah, thank you very much, and I shall see you in the next one. Ta-ra for now.